Alright, today you're going to learn how to translate the preimage over various distance to obtain the image. So, example 1 says, find the new coordinates of the image after translating the preimage 1 unit to the right and 4 units down. So, we're going to take, if we, you can go ahead and label these A, B, C, and D, and then we're going to translate everything to the right 1. So I'm going to take D, go 1, and 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's my new D prime. We'll do the same thing with each vertex. Over 1 from C and down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your C prime. B is forward 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4. And then A is forward 1, down 4 to get your A prime. And there's your new image. You can see that we have done a slide over and down. So then we're going to write the coordinates of those new points. So A is back 3, down 2. B is back 3, down 0. C is forward 3, up 0, and D is forward 3 and down 2. Okay, on example 2, you're going to find the new coordinates of the image after translating the preimage 4 units to the right and 1 unit up. So again, you probably want to label these. I did A, B, C, and D again, but you can choose whatever. So I'm going to take D. I'm going to go, 4 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 unit up. So there's my D prime. I'm also going to do that with A. 4 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 unit up. C, 4 units to the right, 1 unit up. And B is 4 units to the right and 1 unit up. And then we're going to go ahead and draw that, and you should notice that these are exactly the same shape and size. It has just been slid a certain direction. So for our A prime, our coordinates are over 0, up 5. B prime, the coordinates are over 0, down 1. C over 2, down 1. And D prime over 2 and up 5. Okay, on example 3, it says, find the new coordinates of the image after translating it using a translation rule. Okay, I'm going to label those again, and then we're going to apply this rule. What this says is I'm going to take A. A right now is over 1, up 4, and we're going to apply this rule, which says to every x, we're going to subtract 3. So 1 minus 3, and that 1 comes from here. And then from every y, that's the 4, we're going to subtract 2, and we're going to write those new values. That'll give us A prime. So 1 minus 3 is negative 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So to graph that, we go back 2, up 2, and there's our A prime. So we're going to do this for each of our values. B is located at over 3, up 4. So we're going to apply this, they call it a translation rule. So we're going to take our x value, which is 3, and subtract 3, and our y value, which is 4, and subtract 2. That'll give us our new B prime. So 3 minus 3 is 0, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So over 0, up 2 will give us B prime. We're going to continue doing this for C. C is located over 3, down 2. So we're going to apply that rule, which says we have to take 3 and subtract 3, our x value, and subtract 3, and our y value, negative 2, and subtract 2. That gives us C prime at 0, negative 4. So we graph that point over 0, down 4. And then our last one, I'll do it across the bottom. D right now is located at over 1 down 2. We're going to apply the rule that says we take our x value, in this case it's 1, and subtract 3, and our y value, in this case it's 2, and subtract, sorry, that should be negative 2, and subtract 2, and that will give us our new d prime, which is located at -2, -4. So we go back 2, down 4, and there's our d prime, and you can see here's our new rectangle. It is a translation, it's been slid over, it's still congruent, and that's important that we keep the same shape and size by a translation. Okay, your assignment is the 8-4 translations worksheet. Good luck.